Hello guys! Unboxing takadya kang parcel ni Chico. Uy! Tan-tan-nan! Ako gunting. So, kailangan gaban. I guess. Tada! Wow! Wow! Jojo, no! Come here, dasig. Come here, dasig. Come unboxing ta! Dasig. So this is Jojo. He will help me unbox. Samurai ni no, bunjing ka chik. Ay. Uy. Jojo, kapte na. Dasig. Next. Hello. Uy. 2 pages. Jojo ka. Abi ko dapat tanda. Dungan. Anyways, this is it. This is a, I don't know. This is Yumingbu. Get close to nature. Lure craft features outstanding optimized full graphite composite blank, premium quality real seat, ergonomic shape. Slay. I'll rate it 2 out of 10 because I don't know what it does. Ang bag. Jojo, rate this. Okay, 0. Bag, yung buslot, ID pad, ariyo. Ay, ganda mo, kulalo, ariyo. So yes, amo na. Ang sunod ng imo parcel. Hello. That's all for today. That's all for our unboxing. Ow! Nakatawag ako mo balik.